The objectives of this tutorial is to configure a router to let it offer a DHCP service, excluding 8 IP addresses that we can eventually add manually. Before we start, I would like to describe what the DHCP protocol is. It's a client-server protocol which uses the UDP protocol and used to assign dynamic IP addresses and other setting values to host in a network, excluding manual configuration. It wants to prevent the waste of IP addresses and permits the management of a network without an administrator. The network that we will use is a C-class network, 192.168.1.0/24. The IP addresses that we will execute are from 192.168.1.3 to 192.168.1.10. The default gateway is the router gig 0/0 with 192.168.1.1. We have to place the device like in the picture. Then we have to connect the router gig 0/0 to the switches port FA0/1 and every other PC's FA0 with the consecutive switch port FA0/2 and 0/3, etc. After that, we have to enter the router settings and execute this command in configuration mode. IP DSP pool rete 1, network 192.168.1.0, 255.255.255.0. Default router 192.168.1.1. IP DHCP excluded address 192.168.1.3, 192.168.1.10. The last things we have to do is PC's configuration. For every PC, we have to enter the desktop and set the IP configuration to DHCP. At the end of the experience, we have to verify the PC IP addresses and confirm that each of them can communicate with each other.